In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Payments to receive payments in QuickBooks Online step by step. First, open your browser and sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're using a profile with permission to receive payments. This walkthrough assumes your QuickBooks Payments account is already set up and connected, so the payment options appear where they should. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Sales, then select Customers. This area gives you a clear view of your customer list, open balances, and recent activity. Find and click the customer who is making the payment. Opening the customer profile ensures you're applying the payment to the right account from the start. On the Customers page, look to the top right and click Receive Payment. This opens the Receive Payment form, where you'll record the payment details and apply them to the correct invoice. In the Payment Method dropdown, choose the method being processed through QuickBooks Payments, such as credit card, ACH, or bank transfer. The options you see will reflect what you've enabled in your payment setup. Credit and debit card payments typically authorize quickly, while ACH or bank transfers can take a bit longer to settle. Next, in the Amount Received field, enter the exact amount the customer paid. If it's a partial payment, enter that partial amount. If it's a full payment, enter the full invoice total. Below, check the invoice or invoices being paid. QuickBooks may pre-select invoices for you, but it's important to confirm that the correct ones are checked so the right balances are reduced. If a payment fully covers an invoice, you'll see the open balance drop to 0. If not, QuickBooks will mark it as partially paid. In the Deposit to dropdown, select the bank account where the payment will be deposited. Choose the account that matches your QuickBooks Payments deposit account to keep your reconciliation accurate. If your business uses a dedicated operating account for deposits, make sure that's the one selected. If you want, add a memo for quick reference later, such as noting the purpose of the payment or any relevant internal detail. When everything looks good, click Save and Close to finish, or Save and New if you need to record another payment right away. QuickBooks Online will process the payment through QuickBooks Payments and automatically update the customer's balance and the status of the invoice. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.